Before I leave to Ralph's, I thought I'd make the troops a bit of tomato soup with some passata and some chopped tomatoes there. We got some basil and we got some other herberage to stick in it as well. Big on the rasta, Ralph. Won't be long rasta. Just cook this up. So, special ingredients today, all very fine here. We've got some everyday Aldi. From Aldi, yeah. Everyday Aldi 23p or something like that. Yeah, we got some Co-op honest value tomato, and it is honest value. We've got a bit of to give it a bit of a kick. We've got some pepper. We've got some Stockwell, which I think are Tesco. Are they Tesco? I think they're Tesco. Stockwell are. And we made a nice little mixture here. We fried off our mushrooms here. We put all the basil in. The basil over there. We got the special ingredients going soon. We'll have a bit of that in a minute. What else we got to go in? Should we put a cider in? We got them two spare, but we're only doing for 5 people. So, we got some cheap brioche bread. Look at this. 152 is cheap. 152 is cheap. About half the loaf. I had a munch on. Let's cook it up. You're waiting for the money shot, aren't you? Boil some eggs up, yeah. And let's get some of this lovely Aldi sausage, yeah. There, look at that, best Sicilian sausage. Cut it up into pretentious little slices with a slight angle on your knife going down there. And stick them to the tomato soup. Just in there like that, yeah. Good cook, aren't I? Thought I'd better show you Tim's tip of the day to do a boiled egg. I had to check if it was al dente, because it's best to have a bit of yolk. Crack the egg and just roll it. Roll it. There's tip of the day, and that you'll find it's easier to peel. I can't do it because I'm one-handed. One-handed. See, camera in the hand. Reflection to prove it. No. Skip it. Al dente. I forgot to show you the perfectly formed eggs going into the pan. This is the money shot. Wait, let's take a still. There we go. There's the money shot. Going in right now. And 2 more for the pot. We'll put that on a very low simmer, so not to destroy them lovely al dente part cooked eggs. I think I might dedicate this food to Michelle. No, I won't. Yummy food in the caravan. My last day, so I had to pack up. Yummy food in the caravan. We had some of that. There was some of that. There's some of that and some of that. Yummy food in the caravan. Right, time to go that way.